In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Desktop for video creation. To get started, open your browser and search for Genspark AI. In the search results, click on the listing for Genspark, labeled as an all-in-one AI workspace. This will take you to the main website, where you can access the platform's creative tools. Once you're on the Genspark site, look for the Content Creation drop-down menu. This is where Genspark groups together its media generation features. So if you're using the platform for the first time, this is the section you'll want to explore. Click the drop-down and then select AI Video. That will open the video generation workspace. Inside the AI Video area, you can begin setting up your project. If you already have an image you want to use as a reference for your video, click the plus icon to upload it. This can be useful when you want the final video to follow a specific look, subject, or composition. If you don't have a reference image, you can simply continue to the prompt field and work from text alone. Next, click into the prompt box and type or paste your prompt. This is where you describe the video you want Genspark to create. Be as clear and specific as possible so the tool has a better understanding of your goal. For example, include details about the scene, style, movement, or overall mood if those are important to your result. A well-written prompt usually leads to a better output. When everything looks good, click Submit to start the video creation process. Genspark will begin generating your video based on the prompt and any image reference you uploaded. Depending on the complexity of the request, this may take a little time, so just give it a moment to process. That's the basic workflow for creating a video in Genspark AI Desktop, from opening the site to submitting your project.